Simple clean makeup tutorial. So you go ahead and apply your primer to base your face and apply your foundation. Make sure you're using a foundation that has undertone your complexion, right? Because we don't want the foundation to be lighter than our complexion. And you can go ahead and use a lighter concealer to pop out your T-zone. Here I use the beige concealer because I can actually apply makeup, but if you are a beginner, you want to use a shade that is one shade lighter than you. So I went ahead to define my nose with a contour because I want the sculpture, and apply a little creamy blush and also contour. Here I'm blending the concealer out, trying to define my T-zone. We want the makeup to pop out, right? Your makeup is supposed to be your highlight, which is the T-zone. Okay, so I use the translucent powder to set my face. Yeah, you can use either translucent or use the banana. It all depends on your preference, but both do work very, very well because we don't want to have those shiny, right? That is the purpose of powder, to dab into the skin and avoid the shiny on the face. So you can go with any eyeshadow of your choice. Here I use the blue eyeshadow in the Ujvbeauty flavor palette. Make sure you base your crease right before you apply your eyeshadow because we want the eyeshadow to pop out. Try to play with colors. Very, very important. We don't want to be having only nude color this here. We want to play. So I went ahead and used my bronze powder to blend out the translucent powder because we want the makeup to look natural and clean and simple. That is what we want to achieve. And make sure you blending out with your fluffy brush. And I went ahead to use my contour palette to define the nose, and also my blush palette, to give my face the colors and the highlight I want, because blush to pop out the makeup, right? I'm a queen of blush. If you take note, I love to use blush, and the UJV blush palette has like all the colors that will suit you as a woman of color. And we also have the highlight on the blush palette. Guys, check this out. It is giving and glowing. If you don't have this palette, you're missing out. Link on the bio to go get it. I promise you're gonna love it. We want to glow this year, and I will encourage you to glow. It's not every time we're having like the nude makeup. We want to try different things and just play with colors. So I love this palette. It's one of the best selling, and go grab yours. So guys, after that, I went ahead and used the setting spray to base the makeup, and this is the final look. What do you think about the look? Let me know in the comments. It's so clean and simple.